Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we hit a milestone. We've got 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really happy about, and I much appreciate the support that everyone has given me and this channel. Even though it has taken some time to get there, we got there in the end. So now let's go for another 1,000. So if you enjoy my videos, feel free to share them around. And to my existing subscribers, don't be scared to comment on my videos. Please give me thumbs up and comments, because by commenting on the video, not only do you promote your own channel, but you also promote my channel by giving it more audience interaction. Okay, and that's one of the things, that YouTube looks at. They look at audience participation on the videos to promote the videos. So if you want to get more views on your own channel, comment on other people's channels, especially like-minded channels. So if you've got a barbecue channel, feel free to comment on my barbecue videos, and that will bring viewers to your videos, and that might bring me to your videos. If you're following a keto-based diet or carnivore diet, feel free to comment on my keto carnivore videos to bring more views to your own channel and your own videos. Unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you want to look at it, that is how YouTube works. Okay, you need to self-promote yourself a little bit, and I have probably not done enough self-promoting for my channel to grow faster, but we can only go up from here. So please leave a comment down below. I appreciate all comments. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you, 1,000 subscribers. That's a great effort. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.